Tyre sidewalls can be quite confusing things to look at with a lot of information on, so I thought it'd be a nice idea to look at the key pieces of information on the sidewall of a tyre and break it down to exactly what it means. The first thing to look at is the tyre size, in this case 215/60/16. 215 is the width of the tread in millimetres, so this tyre's tread is 215 millimetres wide. The 60 is the sidewall height represented as a percentage of the tread width. So on this tyre, the sidewall height is 60% of 215 millimetres. And the 16, of course, is the wheel size, which means this tyre is only designed to fit a 16-inch wheel. There are two other key pieces of information on a tyre sidewall. That's the load rating and speed index, in this case 99H. The load rating specifies the amount of load a tyre is designed to take safely, and the speed index is the speed at which the tyre is allowed to be run to. Other important pieces of information on the tyre sidewall are things like ROF, or run flat, to indicate you've got a run flat tyre, OE markings, which specify whether the tyre has been designed to work with a specific vehicle, and things like the 3-peak mountain and snowflake symbol, which indicate the tyre is a legal winter tyre in countries which mandate winter tyres at certain times of the year. The final bit of important information a tyre can give you isn't on the sidewall, it's actually in the tread, and these are tread wear markers. When your tyre is worn down to being level with the tread wear marker, that means your tyre is at 1.6 millimetres, which is the UK minimum, and it's definitely time to change your tyres.